Welcome back to another episode of vidIQ Shorts. 60 seconds, one topic, let's go. Here's an interesting question, often asked but difficult to answer. Do video tags at the top of a list have more of an impact than those at the bottom of a list when it comes to search engine optimization? There has never been what you would call a definitive answer from YouTube on this, but if you look hard enough you can find hints. In the Creator Academy there is a lesson all about assessing discovery, and buried deep within this document is the following section. To determine if a channel has effective metadata, you can evaluate whether or not video tags are listed in order of relevance. With that in mind, how do you think we should order the tags by relevancy for this video? Maybe something like this. And perhaps we need to make these tags even more specific, so get rid of these and add these. So the next time you add video tags, be as relevant as possible and front load the most specific tags at the top of a list. With vidIQ installed, this is as easy as click, drag and drop.